Hi everyone, today we are going to learn about the Chande cross top. This is very amazing indicator. You can catch the smooth movement, you can define the sideway movements. So here just follow my steps. Video will be in Hindi and English. Just click on the indicator and now just need to follow my steps. Chande cross tops. I have already added this Chande cross tops. Okay. Now I have changed the color of this upper channel green and lower channel red. You can also notice, friends, when price moves between these channels, then we can get the good movement, right? We can get the big green or red candle, but we can't get the smooth movement, right? We can feel sleepy when price moves below between this channel. But one more thing you can notice, self learning point is this: when candle moves above this green line, we can get the smooth out movement, and when it moves below this lower band, then we can get the big downfall. I show you guys in this area, this one. Okay, so here Nifty seems very choppy, it seems very confused. यहाँ पे confused लग रही है, but this candle has touched this upper channel and band is very shrink, so big movement may come. And one more point we can notice is that these three candles, right, are moving between this big candle. Okay, so we just need to wait for the breakout. So big movement may come, but which side? So if Nifty crosses this high, this is called the above the 17844.75, we can get the big bull run, or we can get the big upward movement, right? And below this low 17442, we can get the breakout downside, right? So remember this level, you can write down. The lower level is 17442.20. We can consider this level as the acid test level or amazing support level for the Nifty. But if Nifty crosses is 17844.75, then we can meet with the bullish blast. Now time to go with the Nifty Bank. Nifty Bank is not confused like Bank Nifty, because yesterday it had given the close above this upper channel. So यहाँ से ही अपना काम शुरू हो चुका है. That's why Nifty Bank stocks are firing. Now time to go with the auto. Why auto is running on 5th gear, or I think 6th or 7th gear? Because it has also given the close above this channel. Now one of the Mimar special stocks, ITC, right? Everyone cracks the joke on ITC, but I would like to show you guys. 3 days back we got the close above this line. After that it took the reaction or retest, and after that we got the breakout. So we can get the smooth bullish up move until it moves above this channel, upward channel, right? So this way we can find the smooth zone, we can find the choppy zone. I show you guys in the ITC, this area, in this area ITC stop. Okay, for the tomorrow you can watch Nifty levels. We have already discussed with you guys. GMR Infra movement was band was shrink here, and after that we got the breakout from this candle, and we have already got the smooth up move. Now it's meaningless to discuss about the GMR Infra. Let's see. Sun TV, is there something? Sun TV has given close above this line and took the reaction. So above this high 531.70, we can get the good up move. But remember one thing, friends, when candle moves with this upper channel, we can get the bull run, and when it moves with this lower band, we can meet the downward trend. Now time to discuss about the Wipro. People are investing in their stocks, but I think you can also realize this is not advisable to invest right now, because candles are moving with this lower channel, lower band. So we should stay away from this kind of counter, this kind of stocks. Never invest emotionally, because even promoters have no emotions. Lots of in the past, when you read, lots of promoters had sold the stocks. If I talk about the Anil Ambani, right, he's still living good, he's still living king size life, but what about the shareholders? They have lost the money, right? So remember, never trade emotionally, right? Be practical. It's your money, you should take care of your money, right? So this is about the Sunday crosstalks. We will make the more video on the Chandes indicator. This is not only one indicator. There are lots of indicators with the name of Mr. Chande. Chande is the surname of the analyst. Right, so there are lots of indicator on his surname, so we will make the more video, but for the today I think this is enough to do the practice. Start the back testing and see you in the next video. Till goodbye, take care, follow the stop loss.